Yes, 99.6 Radio Al-Markaz, Sahabat Al-Markaz, wherever you're. Good afternoon. How is it going? How are you, Sahabat Al-Markaz? Great. Yes, as usually, we are back here in program Bemci Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia English Corner. And giving applause first. Yes, with me, RD Sam, of course, as a host. And as usually, I'm not alone here. We have a friend, of course, from another city, another country. Yes, okay. And of course, today is every Friday at 4 until 5 p.m. Of course, we are here for you guys, Sahabat Al-Markas in Bemci Corner English Discussion. And our topic for today, but before I'm going to talking about topic or spill the topic, of course, I would like to invite them one by one to introduce themselves, yeah, to you guys, Sahabat Al-Markas, wherever you are. Yes, let's go. Okay, please use this. Okay, hi, how are you?
Yes, we are fine.
You're fine? What about you?
Yeah, we're fine.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Fine, good, great. Yes, welcome to Radio Al-Markaz, yeah, studio, the MC Corner and this session. This is your first time, right, guys, to come
Yes,
here?
right. Yeah, this is not.
Aha, yes. Okay, as I promised to Sahabat Amarkas, of course, at wherever they are, yeah, of course, I would like to invite you guys one by one. I start from you. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? Yes, what is your activity? Where do you live? And what is your role at MC, please?
Yes, okay. My name is Wahyu. I'm from Baobao. I'm active as student in Point Alauddin, postgraduate, and also
Who still
Your
don't know
name?
me.
Hmm?
My full name is Muhammad Zaki Mubarak, and usually people call me Zaki.
Key?
And um, I'm currently at my last semester in
Ooh.
At Muhammadiyah Makassar University.
What department?
My major is Education Department, so it's kind of
English.
yeah,
You, wow.
education department.
Hobby?
My hobby usually I do like traveling a lot,
Mm-hmm.
but usually just by myself. And then I usually like to gather this strap, the receipt.
Hmm.
I love to collecting the receipt that maybe I just bought it from some places. I just love collecting things.
So what is your role at BEPS?
My role is as an active participant in
Participant.
at BMC.
Okay, welcome to BMC Correct
Thank you so
Discussion.
much.
Okay, I'll be back to you next. Udah siap belum?
yeah, of course, ready.
Okay, please introduce yourself. What is your name? Where do you live?
Hey
Your
guys,
activity? Your
my
role.
name is Muhammad Ilham Sulaiman, but you can just call me Sean because my friends call me like that.
It sounds French.
My
Sean.
friends
Sean.
call me Sean.
Sean.
Sean. Sion.
Okay.
Okay, my friends call me Sean, and I live in Minasaupa. And
Manchester United? Have
no,
you?
no, no, no.
Have you? Have you?
Yeah,
Oh.
currently I live in Minasaupa, and my activity is work.
Mhm.
Right now, I work at
I
MBG.
guess your finger is dance.
Yeah, because I'm too nervous. I'm shaking. Sorry. It's my first time to be here.
Uh-huh.
So thanks for having me in this
English podcast.
yeah, English podcast.
Yeah.
And my role in this community is as active participant.
Okay, so what is your hobby?
My hobby, I have several hobby like reading, singing,
Oh,
and swimming,
okay.
and then
Everything is
discussing.
Jaren, ing. Yeah. Reading, swimming, singing.
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay. Oh wow. What kind of genre do you like most?
genre, singing,
Yes.
jazz.
Chess.
Yeah, I love to
Wow.
listening to classic music also.
Beethoven.
Yeah,
Oh wow. Bossa
and
Nova.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, and like another popular genre like pop.
Mm. Okay, welcome,
Yeah.
Sion. Yes. Okay, give it a applause. Yes. Yeah. As a man promised that we would like to discuss about um Instagram versus TikTok. Udah siap belum? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready? Yes. Okay. But first, I would like to ask before we go to the topic. I would like to ask you, how do you feel? How do you think? What is your reaction about this invitation?
Actually, a little bit nervous.
Uh huh.
Yes, and of
And
course, I feel so happy because yeah, this is like you know,
this is your first time in
yeah,
media,
yeah, this is my
really?
first time
Uh-huh. So
on
this is
live.
it. Will be unforgettable moment.
Yeah, I think.
Oh my god.
And yeah, I just feel so great to be invited here.
Mm. So, how do you think about the topic itself for this afternoon? Instagram versus TikTok.
I think it's interesting because this is one of the topic that related to our era like now globalization
Mhm.
era where technology, social media, and something being hyped
Mhm.
and in any generation like maybe Gen Z
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
apa di bawahnya
Alpha.
ada alpha, beta,
Mhm.
dan di atasnya like
Mhm.
millennial.
Alpha, beta, citrus. Lemon. Yeah. Delta. It means river. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think
Okay, so this is very interesting and it will be fun for discuss this. Okay. And you feel amazed, you feel blessing, you feel so grateful because you got invitation to come here. Okay, thank you. What about you? How do you feel? What is your reaction when you got for the first invitation here?
First of all, it's feel like surreal for me
Mm-hmm.
to be here, like being invited by such an amazing person like Asam. Yeah, like I said before, it's really such an honor for me to be
Mm-hmm.
here and be with all of the amazing people here.
Yeah.
And I hope throughout the topics
Mm-hmm.
we could describe or we could discuss a lot of things throughout
Mm.
Instagram and TikTok.
Okay, so you feel amazing.
I do feel
You feel
amazing.
honorable, yeah, to come
Honorable,
here.
yeah,
And it will be interesting for this
it
topic.
will
Okay,
be.
thank you. Keep your statement. What about you? Is this your first time also?
Yes,
So this is not your first, how to say, experience to visit media, right?
yes,
Okay.
maybe 2 times.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. How do you feel? What is your reaction when you got for the first time? This invitation, especially in here in Radio Al-Markaz, because you never know that there is radio here in Al-Markaz area, right? Yes. How do you
Yes,
think?
I think I hear Radio Al-Markaz is very the most that they come here in
Ah,
this
you
radio
know Radio
is
Al-Markaz, but you never. Where is the location?
yes, the
Okay. Okay.
location. I think is in
Inside mosque.
yes under Al-Markaz.
Uh-huh,
Yes,
So, like, kinda surprisingly,
yes,
that of course is very close with the area, right?
yes.
So, how do you think about the topic itself?
I think this topic about generation,
Mhm.
about
Instagram versus
yes,
TikTok. Mhm.
all generation and
All generation.
generation
Mhm.
like my friends say
Your
this
friends?
is
Your
Yes,
friend?
yes, actually, yes, yes. I think like he say, this is about new generation and old
Yes.
generation,
Uh-huh.
about millennial
Mhm.
and Gen Z.
Mhm.
Maybe most of Gen Z they use TikTok for
Mm.
their social media,
Mhm.
but millennial, I think, as most of them,
So
they use,
discussion, it will be fun and
yes,
interesting.
about, yes, about millennial
Mhm.
and Gen Z.
We will talking about the generation.
Yes,
That the point is okay.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
thank you. Okay, before I'm going to or move to the next question, I would like to how to say in English punching punching kalian. I would like to say ask you to give the answer about the tagline. Okay, if I say Bemci, yes, you know the answer, right? More fun, more confident, or impact. Okay, let's try it. Okay. One, two, three. See,
More,
more fun, more confidence, more impact. Eh. Yes, I move to the next question. My question is okay, Zaki.
oh,
Okay, so how do you see the phenomena, massive social media, especially Instagram and TikTok, and on nowadays?
Yeah, I mean, in this era, globalization, like our friend said,
Mhm.
like social media is really has like such an important things on our life, especially nowadays. People usually just scroll throughout the social media, like they just spend like for more than hours throughout the Instagram or
Oh my
TikTok.
god. Uh-huh.
But for me, preferably, I usually just go with Instagram since I use it like since I was in high school. But TikTok, I wasn't like really use that application that much because it's still like kind of new for me.
Mhm.
But yeah, I mean, most of people nowadays also use both of
Mhm.
Instagram and TikTok because it has like a huge impact of our
Mm.
future self. Like you can be
Okay.
content creator there, or you could also like sharing a lot of things in there. You just be creative of yourself in there because no one can stop you there because that is just like your own platform. You
So
only
if you have it to choice, but then which one you choose and why?
Yeah, I would say Instagram.
Why?
Because yeah, the features itself I
Mhm.
already knows it because yeah, I use it like I said before from
Mhm.
high school.
Mhm.
But TikTok I just used like recently for 2 years ago.
Okay.
But then I just keep uninstalling because my storage is kind of full.
Okay.
That's also the problem of my phones,
Mhm.
honestly. And then, but yeah, TikTok is really fun for me when you
Mhm.
like make some
Mm.
like interesting challenge,
Mm.
like
Mm.
a video challenge or a dance challenge,
Mm.
usually with the
Like Kicho
friends.
Mania? Kicho.
Yeah,
Kicho.
yeah, with a lot of
Kicho
my
Mania.
friends usually
like a
do
beginner.
it that, yeah.
Mhm.
But for me, personally, I prefer to use more Instagram for me
Uh,
because I already make my personal branding over there
oh.
through apa, of that application.
Okay. Thank you. Clear. Nice answer. Okay. What about you, Sion? How do you see the phenomena, especially the using massive social media, especially Instagram and TikTok nowadays?
Okay, I think something is have like two sides, have a
Mhm.
negative and positive side.
Yes.
First, like maybe we know that Instagram or TikTok have been bringing uh, bad vibes, bad impact to the generation.
Mm-hmm.
Like maybe they being lazy or spend more time useless
Mm.
in something like that.
Oh, really? Oh
Yeah.
my God. How come? Mhm.
Yeah, because maybe the content of the social media like Instagram or TikTok is addictive,
Mhm.
addicted
Mhm.
to them. So
You want to say, like, in other words, like dopamine instant?
yeah,
Uh,
it's something like that. I think my friends told me something like that
mhm.
also. So, but the positive is like we can uh, because
Mhm.
dari such this kind of thing karena this is globalization jadi
It's kind
so
of your mental is more health. if you just like minimize using social media?
Uh, I, I don't think
You
something
don't think
like
so?
minimize. I mean, manage into parts.
Okay, okay.
Uh, for me, I always use both balance because actually I'm a visual person.
Okay.
So
So you
in
like it
TikTok,
reading, yeah? You
yeah,
like it
TikTok,
reading. Uh-huh.
there's a lot of visual and audio content. I love to watch it, and in Instagram, there's a
Mhm.
lot of content that contains of text. So I really love to read it a lot,
Mm.
something like that. Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Thank you. I'll go back to you. Okay, I'm up to you. What about you? How do you see the same question? How do you see the phenomena massive using massive of social media, especially Instagram and TikTok? How do you see that
Yes, I think when the people can use this
platform?
platform,
Hmm.
social media is good for their life.
Hmm.
They can get money. They
Hmm.
can get another job for their
Hmm.
life.
Hmm.
They
They
can
can spread
impact.
that well. So.
Yes,
Hmm.
sharing dawa in
Hmm.
TikTok and Instagram.
Hmm.
But another side, like what is
Our friends.
yes, yes, we are friends.
Uh-huh.
I think when they can control this
Hmm.
phenomena, I think it's will be broke their brain.
Hmm.
I think like brain rot, they can
Hmm.
control themselves, just addict by social media. They
Hmm.
control their mind, they control their time,
Hmm.
and they can control until they can control their self.
Okay. So, which
The
one
social
you prefer, Instagram or TikTok, and why?
I think I'm millennial, so I am prefer Instagram.
Okay.
Yes, because TikTok is
Because
so many short video
or
and
short
yeah,
video.
yes, short video,
Mm-hmm.
and I think a little information about
Little?
knowledge. Yes,
Really?
for
Okay.
me,
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
that's why.
Mm. It's depend on the
Yes,
algorithm, yeah.
yes, algorithm,
It's
but
okay.
I think Instagram more information, more visual.
And more impact.
Yes, nice. Yeah, like Bemci. More fun.
Okay. So it is just because you are millennial.
Yes.
Really?
I think it's there are research also opinion
Research? Mm-hmm.
research about millennial is prefer more than Instagram
Mm-hmm.
rather than TikTok because
Uh-huh.
TikTok is more until you can in TikTok you can have 100 account
Mm-hmm.
or 1,000 icon
Mm-hmm.
just one person. And
Mm-hmm.
this is bad. You can campaign head speech
Mm-hmm.
another, but when you can use this for your job,
Mm-hmm.
your business, this is good because you can make money.
So you
But
prefer
yes,
Instagram. The point is,
yes.
okay. Thank you, Giving a plus. First, yes, 99.6 Radio Almarkas, sahabat Almarkas, wherever you are. We will be back after this. Don't go anywhere. Okay, semua boleh
Yes, we are back, of course, in 99.6 Radio Almarkas, the Habit Almarkas, wherever you are. Okay, I would like to check your spirit, guys. Bemci, more fun, confident, more. Yes, giving a plug. Instagram versus TikTok. Yes, they have a prefer. Yes,
They
like Instagram. Yeah, most of you.
Yeah,
Uh,
but we move to the next questions. Um, okay, but what about you? Um, as we know that, of course, there is like absolutely there are two sides, positive and negative. But maybe you can put first your perspective about the negative of both them, like Instagram and TikTok. What is the negative actually? No negative, but weakness. Sorry.
weakness.
What about the weakness of two platforms?
I think the negative thing is
Weakness. Just we say just
oh,
just call
weakness.
weakness, not negative. Yeah,
Yes.
weakness. The weakness of both them.
I think the weakness is the social media
Mm-hmm.
is they make like dominant or uh, endorphin more endorphin, so
Okay,
people
okay.
people can
Happiness hormone. Yeah, endorphin.
yes,
Okay, okay. One of.
they can fall their time, they just was their time in social media because they're happy with social media
Mm-hmm.
until maybe they forget their activity like
Okay.
their job,
In other words,
their
you would
study.
like to say like this is like make addictive.
Yes, this
Yes.
addictive, but when you can control this, I think it's a lot of
So any addition or you keep your statement?
no.
You keep your statement.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Move to Sion. So, in weakness perspective of this platform, how do you think? What is your perspective?
Um, I think just the social media, both of TikTok and Instagram,
Mm-hmm.
they give such a s- short
Short,
content.
short content.
You might,
Is it like trap? I mean, like make distract us from our main productivity,
yeah,
so we
also
cannot productive. So
also
how do you
like
think?
that.
Mm-hmm.
But as a person who always joining a discussion or involved in a long topic,
Mm-hmm.
short things is something bad for me, or maybe or people like me. And I think for literacy, juga, I think it's short content is uh, it mengurangi reducing our critical thinking
Ah,
because
okay.
consuming short content makes people
Lazy.
lazy to
Mhm, mhm.
uh, consume the long like in YouTube.
Yeah.
That's why the people, a lot of like netizen is always being misunderstood about something or a topic that being hyped in the social media because they
Uh,
just watch it in the short.
and also there is a like effect of our mentality. Our mentality, like how to say degradation, the our mental, yeah,
Yeah,
like mental kerupuk maybe, yeah,
yeah, I think
yeah.
it's also
Mhm.
giving
Mental
like
strawberry, like strawberry, yeah.
Strawberry
Uh,
generation.
uh-huh.
yeah,
Okay, do you have any addition or you keep your statement?
yeah, I keep.
Okay, okay, Mr. Statement. Okay, the same question, similar. So, how do you can what is your perspective about the weakness of social media platform?
Okay, so in my opinion, basically both of the uh, social media
Mhm,
things like share similar kind of weaknesses.
mhm.
Basically like
Did you
TikTok
using
and
FB Pro?
no, no, Facebook. I just
Mhm.
not using it since like
What about
5 years.
X traits,
Not really. I have I mean
traits?
Thread, no.
No. Oh, okay. Wow.
I'm not installing that application because I think it's such like um why we just need like to Instagram at this point because I think Thread is also based on Instagram, and why would I need to install the
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Thread application since I already have Instagram on my phone?
Mhm.
So yeah. And I mean, throwback again to the topic.
Mhm.
The weaknesses for me, it's both of the content on the Instagram and TikTok is really overwhelming,
Overwhelming.
overwhelming. And then for me itself, because I also experience it,
But not overrated.
TikTok is from yeah. I mean, both the application is yeah overrated. People
Overrated.
use that a lot. I mean, but I mean, I know why it's really overrated because I think our life is depends on that. Because
Yeah,
I
yeah,
mean,
yeah.
people look
I agree.
through our Instagram or
Yeah.
our social media. Like, can I like DM or mutualan in Indonesia
Mhm.
to get each other knows better? Like, what's kind of personality are you in? So we can look after on your profile, like
So my
Instagram.
question is, how many feet do you have and reels?
Actually,
Do you have a second account?
I do have,
Wow.
but I prefer more on my first account
Mhm.
because I think that's my social media.
Mhm.
Who can control it except myself?
So your second account is the main.
No, no.
Main.
My first is my main account. My second is
Oh.
only for when I look after like such an like tantalizing
But
topic.
which one is more photos you post? Second or main?
First, a main
First.
account, my main account.
Main. Oh,
Yes,
okay, okay.
because I think
The second is for spy.
no. Usually when yeah, maybe that's one also correct.
Okay,
But
okay,
for me,
okay.
when I trying to um try to register something, I would use my second account, or rather my first account.
Okay, thank you
'Cause-
for the tip.
yeah, maybe one of you guys want
Okay.
to follow my tips. I would
Okay.
suggest you get that. Yeah, that's why. Where where am I? I mean, uh, yeah, and then also the weaknesses is when you watch like reels or TikTok on on a platform, you have like terms like you have like a short term memory on because you usually just look after like scrolling and then it's only like for probably 30 seconds. But after that, you don't know what this the first slide is gonna be like. You don't know what the content video of itself.
Okay.
So that's yeah, I would say that's the weaknesses along of that both sides.
Okay, it's complete. Yeah. So if you want to register, make it second account.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
my take.
Okay, thank you. I move to you, Sian, again. This is my how many questions? This is four, five. Okay, six. Okay, my next question is, how do you see about the user Instagram in Asia, especially Indonesia, than in Europe and America and Africa? Which one is loyal user or best user social media? Because we have like netizen, it's barbar, very barbar.
We have
Yes, so how do you see this phenomena? Which one is best in your perspective?
I don't know what to say, but
Do you
in
get my point? Do you
Indonesia,
get my point?
yeah.
Yes, okay.
Uh, in my perspective, I think uh, I can give uh like any of
7 of 10. 8 of 10.
I think it's
Our society.
6.5.
For Indonesian user Instagram.
Yeah, generally.
Why?
Yeah.
Why only 6.5?
It's just my intuitive.
Because they are barbaric. Oh my god.
Yeah, maybe because
Low.
that's one of the reasons because our netizen is so barbar. And sometimes they are like uh abusive when they're talking the social media, always giving bad words to the people, giving an harassment or something like that,
Okay.
to giving a cyberbullying. I
Yes,
think
cyberbullying. Yes, like siblings and kinit versus yeah.
I think yeah, our society is in critic condition when we talk about their interaction, their activity in social media generally. But I don't deny the fact that some
But in
people,
other side,
yeah,
sometimes
in
you know
the
our
other side,
nation, it's like I take
people,
EDF. You know EDF. They're a take. Yes. Okay. Okay.
uh, I don't deny the fact that some people is also have a good interaction and
Yes.
activity in the social media, giving a good education or
Mhm.
good content. Yeah, I think that's my perspective about our society.
So 6.5. Oh my
6.5.
God, it's too low. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Yes, I'm sorry. Okay, what about you? How do you see about the how to say peringkat-peringkat about social media user in the world? How do you see in Indonesia user social platform, especially for Instagram and TikTok?
I mean, for me, based on the daily uses, I mean, Indonesia is really high ratings, I guess,
Yeah,
for using
yeah, yeah.
Instagram or TikTok.
Our
Because
market is so big,
yeah, I mean,
so highest.
a lot of
Yes.
like foreigner or abroad
Mhm.
like country is also
Numpang
kind
tenar.
of yeah respecting Indonesia throughout their content
Uh,
because I think that makes also their content goes viral.
you know, yes, yes.
Yeah,
You know, it's very easy to fire Indonesia.
exactly,
You will only say, I love Indonesia. I love this. Oh
exactly.
my God. Automatically their followers. Oh my God. Yeah,
Indeed.
something like that. Uh-huh.
That's
Continue.
what I said before. And then also, like Sion said before,
Mhm.
cyberbullying is also really on a like crisis in this time because you can see a lot of cyberbullying on the platform itself. A
Mhm.
lot of people. That's why I wonder why Indonesian people. I'm not biased, guys,
Mhm.
but I would say just most of the Indonesian people. Their first account is really like they don't have any profiles on them on
Mhm.
Instagram, and then they have like zero posts on their.
What generation?
I think mostly Gen Z. Yeah, I would say when I look at my
Uh,
general friends,
uh,
they tend to be like, um, it
uh-huh.
doesn't have any profile account, and they have zero posts. So
Mhm.
that's why I'm wondering why would they don't like post anything or use their own face to make their profile. But
Mhm.
on the other hand, when I see like foreigner people make their content or have their username have their account Instagram or TikTok,
Yes.
they tend to be like more like branding itself. They
Mhm.
put their email or it's like when you gotta work, but it's on social media.
Mhm.
Your face, you have a lot of content, a lot of interesting topic or content there.
Like Nona say, work.
Yeah.
Work.
No, no, keep working. Working. Keep working.
Uh,
Yeah, maybe I would say Indonesian people are highly used.
mhm.
But I don't know what are they using. Maybe just from commenting
Oh yeah.
under
Yeah.
mm, for other content.
Uh,
But
they are rangers.
Rangers, Indonesia
Yes.
Rangers. So yeah, be careful, guys. Oh, Indonesian
Oh,
netizen
yes.
would say that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Oh,
you so
it's
much.
very amazing. Okay, so what about you? How do you see about the social media users, especially in Asia, especially in Indonesia, because you know it's very massive.
Yes.
So how do you see about this phenomena?
The thing is, the viral from buzzer
Mhm.
campaign hate speech is very very bad for
Mhm.
they have two ideas and they just kid each other and
Yes,
also this break the society. I think this is very dangerous.
it's like mosquito
Yes,
brand.
like it, like I think
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
in social media, like our society, like we have most enemy. We have we have big big difference.
Mhm.
Like when we see in reality, I think there is no big difference. So the social media make uh apa
Make what?
camouflage, like camouflage, yes, like
Camouflage.
yes, like we have so many enemies, but when we see in reality,
Reality,
yes,
it's Marcas. Yeah, give it a plus. Okay, once again, I would like to check your spirit, guys, because yeah, we still have time. Yeah, about 16 minutes left, but I would like to check your spirit. Hmm. One, two, three. MC, more fun, more confidence, more impact. Yeah. Okay, back to the topic. Yes, Instagram versus TikTok. I already asked you, right?
yes.
Okay, I move to the next question. Try to build personal branding on Instagram and TikTok, but they failed. So how do you say about them?
I think like my first statement, when
The
they
first
can
is
use,
success, the first is fail on
yes,
Instagram and TikTok.
yes,
Yeah.
when they can control the
Mhm,
social media,
mhm,
I think they can more impact for
mhm,
their money, their career.
mhm,
So like Atar or another artist.
mhm.
This
That
is,
is the
yes,
success. What about the
success.
fail one?
The fail maybe
Are
I
they
don't I
just
don't
have
know.
to stand up? hands up and just go again, lanjut.
Uh, I don't know because maybe I one of the
Oh my God.
I'm not
Mm,
success
mm.
right now
To
in
build personal branding.
Instagram.
Mhm,
Yes, but still process.
mhm,
But
mhm,
I think I don't focus for make content,
mhm, mhm,
more content. Just I feel my time is just scroll and
mhm.
watching the information in
So,
social media.
so the point is maybe you just like hands up,
Yes, maybe there are
just
some.
enjoy maybe, yeah?
Yes, just a little person they can focus in social media, make
Mm,
a branding strong.
content.
Yes,
Uh,
strong branding content, so
mm,
they can success in social media. But most of them just scroll
okay.
was their
So the
time.
point is you just realistic, just
Yes,
enjoy or what do you whatever you want to enjoy. Okay.
yes.
Okay, thank you. So what about you? How do you think about the success people and the failed people who build branding on social media, especially Instagram and TikTok?
Okay, for those who success in throughout the Instagram or TikTok,
Mhm,
I would say congratulations, because you make yeah, you build yourself.
mhm,
Because I think when you want to achieve something, then you
mhm,
have to do it.
mhm,
And then maybe for the miserable one,
mhm,
I think there's not such a thing, such a failure.
mhm.
You need to keep it up, and you need to like
Keep
keep trying
working.
again. Because
Try
I
again.
think one, oh, I was one of them. Because I mean, make a personal branding is not that easy.
So, sahabat
It's not that
Marquez,
easy.
udah siap belum?
You have to be ready. You have to be ready. And yeah, for me, I'm still try to.
The same question, both them. How do you think about the success and the failed people on personal branding, build personal branding on Instagram and TikTok?
I think building a personal branding is one of the positive side of use both social media and for the people who success
Mhm.
for who failed, I think you still have a chance. I
Mm.
mean, don't give up. If
Okay.
you really want to be a person who have a influence in the social media, I
Okay.
think don't give up so fast.
Mm.
I think
Okay. My next question is: so, who is your idol on social media and yes, social media, Instagram and TikTok? I mean, your idol it's general, like maybe football player, maybe a music player, maybe singer, maybe ustad, maybe yeah. It's depend on your how to say
uh,
seleramu gitu ya. So which one, who, and why your idol
my idol.
on
I
social media?
think I don't have any specific person.
Biar rame polin ya. Biar rame polin mathematics ya.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I think something like that.
Okay, thank you. What about you? What is your idol on social media, especially for Instagram and TikTok? You know, we call influencer maybe, yeah?
Yeah.
And why?
Yeah, I think same as Kak Sion. I don't have a specific one, but mostly I use follow foreigner people,
Mm,
especially in America,
mhm.
and then I just
Mr.
follow.
Beast.
No, not that kind of stuff.
Uh,
They just tend to like make money and then do.
Beyonce?
No,
Uh,
It's
the
Speed.
influencer one,
yeah,
especially
as a speed maybe.
uh, like I don't know. I just follow.
Ronaldo.
Ronald is not on America.
Yeah, yeah, I see, I
He's a
see.
footballer.
Yes, I see.
I don't have a specific like one name that usually
Lisa.
really Lisa could be because yeah on my FYP
Uh,
she keeps appearing,
okay.
so I just used to it when I see her on my screen.
Not
So
Rose, yeah?
I mean four of them,
Okay.
the group one, the
Uh-huh.
Blackpink, and then I usually follow the person who just like keep motivating me, like
Mhm,
they make content, they make contents, but
mhm.
their content is just like keep like some hard work or like such an inspiring words.
Put in that word, put in that word.
Yeah, towards. So I need. So yeah, that's why I follow them, and yeah, my dream also want to be one of them. Like
Okay.
I want to also inspiring
Mm.
people also who maybe when they feel down when they see me, I hope that they feel more. There's a hope
Mm.
on their little hearts.
Which one do you choose, healthy inside or fresh outside?
I would choose. Okay, I would choose healthy inside personally because
Kidding, friend. Okay, you keep your statement. Okay, I'll
use
continue.
1,000.
Okay, okay. What about you? Do you know the question, right?
Yeah,
The same. Just answer.
I think I'm biggest fans of Ronaldo.
Mhm.
Yes.
What about Messi?
Yes. Messi, no, no, no,
Pele?
no.
Zinedine Zidane?
Just Ronaldo.
Oh, just Ronaldo. Yeah.
Yes, because Ronaldo is more impact in the
Mhm.
world because
Like
the
Bemci,
most
more impact.
yes,
That's
the role model.
Uh-huh.
Yes, just because my nickname in Instagram Muhammad Wahyudin 7 because
Yeah.
yes,
The
my big
number, yeah,
yes,
yeah.
my idol is Muhammad and Ronaldo. So,
I've
yes,
been Funcal, Madeira.
Funkel. What
Yes.
is it?
The village of Ronaldo,
Oh,
Funcal, Madeira.
Funkel.
Yes.
Madeira, yes. Madeira,
I've
yes.
been there. I
But
was there.
oh,
Yes. Can you close for me? Oh my god, what kind of this joke? Kind of joke. This is really. I've been
yes,
there.
I
I
will
was there,
visit
Funcal.
in the future, inshallah.
Mm-mm. Okay. So
Yes.
why Ronaldo?
Yes, because Ronaldo is have more
The most highest followers, yeah.
yes
Ronaldo.
Instagram after
Yeah.
Instagram.
Yes.
There,
I feel,
yes,
yeah, after Instagram.
yes,
That's supposed to be Ronaldo first, not Instagram. Yeah. Yes, that is
yes,
correct.
yes.
But there is like a feature that
Just
yeah.
different,
Yeah.
little different with Instagram.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Ah.
Until the second is Messi is 100 million
Mm-hmm.
followers. So this is the more impact from
Wow.
Ronaldo because they just not only footballer because but
All of
also
human,
yes,
all of
but
peoples
also
in the world,
figure
all
about
of
yes,
yes, yeah. We said that
yes,
we know the fact. Oh my
yes.
god, yes. Yeah,
So
Ronaldo, you are
when
cool.
Portugal fell, the World Cup is
Yeah,
done.
it's so sad. It's okay. It's okay. So much going like idioms maybe or unfamiliar words maybe. The vocabularies of this topic. You get my point?
Yeah.
Yes. They have. Um,
I don't think I have.
what about the conclusion? What is your conclusion about our discussion
Yeah, the
for
conclusion,
today?
I guess,
Mhm.
when you use both of the social media, you have to use it wisely. Because when you don't use it wisely, you can see, I mean, at the end, you just become addictive to it.
Mhm.
I mean, it's not really good for your health and for your own body. And yeah, you have to keep it wisely and how to work things out throughout social media because a lot of, you can see a lot of people there is like a nice person
You
or
can see.
yeah, you can see beside me is really
No. I mean, you can see it's a cloth. You can see.
yes, I can really
It's a
see.
joke.
Continue. Oh.
And then yeah, I think there's no like more good rather than this rather than that
Oh yeah.
because I think you have to it's preferable.
Mhm.
It's back again on your opinion.
Mhm.
We cannot be like you have to use Instagram or you have to use TikTok.
Mhm.
So yeah, I would
And you
just say
have to use Donying, Dinyong. What's to say?
Douyin.
Donying.
It's I think it's a Chinese application.
Uh,
And yeah, just use both wisely at the end.
okay, thank
'Cause,
you.
yeah.
So, what about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this afternoon by evening?
I think we have to control this social media and
Mhm.
make impact, make
Yes.
money, and make experience in this social media.
Uh,
Don't
your
waste your
favorite
time.
word is impact.
Yes.
I like it. Okay, okay, continue, continue.
Yes,
Mhm.
don't waste your time. Just social media control yourself, but yourself control yourself.
Don't waste your time.
Waste your time.
Love you no more. Like that.
I don't.
Okay, what about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this afternoon by evening?
Yeah, my conclusion is uh, being a generation who live in globalization era, I think we need to really, really control ourselves on using social media.
Mhm.
And also, I think social media and the technology is the sign of our upgrade. I mean, the humanity
Yes.
upgrade.
Mhm.
So I think we also need to creating ourselves, no downgrading ourselves by being addicted or uh having a bad
Once again,
ec-
say you know.
ec-
Once again, say you know.
you know
I don't know.
Okay. I
Okay,
think
okay.
that's my conclusion.
Okay, thank you. Giving
That's
applause for
right.
us. Okay, once again, I would like to check your spirit. One, two, three. Bemci,
More fun,
more
more
confident,
confident,
more
more
impact. Yeah, thank you so much for coming, Sion.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Zaki, for coming. Thank you so much,
Yes.
Mr. Wahyu, for coming here. Thank you so much. Hope to see you again for the next opportunity. Yes, that's all. Yes, Sahabat Amarkas, wherever you are, of course, in BMC Corner English discussion in Radio Al-Markas. And always, yeah, watching and listen 99.6 BMC Corner English discussion every Friday at 4 until 5 p.m. week by week. So see you for the next week. Good afternoon by evening. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. See you for the next week. Bye.